Good afternoon to all the advisors and investors out there. This is Ryan from the SIA Charts team coming to you here on December 10th with our weekly video. On Tuesday, Britain became the first Western country to start administering a coronavirus shot, and yesterday Health Canada approved Pfizer's vaccine, with the first shots coming next week. With Pfizer getting so much press as well as government orders of this vaccine, let's look at how Pfizer stacks up on our platform. As well today, I want to show you how a custom universe of strong stocks can be assembled and pitted against each other to provide specific calls to action. And in this case, we're going to use the healthcare sector. Looking at the monthly chart of Pfizer here, we can see that it has moved up just under 10% over the past month and a half and has broken out to new all-time highs. Let's see where Pfizer ranks on our platform against its peers now. So moving over to the stock summary area, for Pfizer here, we could see that across all reports Pfizer is found in, it has an average yellow neutral zone ranking with a positive short-term SMAX strength score. According to our risk criteria, new positions should only be put on with symbols from a green favored zone of a report. Now let's combine the green favored zone of these healthcare stock reports and some others we have on the system and rank them against each other in a custom matrix. Let's start with the Dow Jones Healthcare Sector Index report here. After popping it out, we can select the green favored zone and click Add to a new portfolio. Once copied over, I'll rename this portfolio here, Green Favored Equities, Healthcare Medical Drug, December 10th. You can call it whatever you like. From here, we can add equities from other reports as needed without having to go back to the Reports tab. We click Add New Symbol and by report. And I'm going to type in some keywords here to filter for. So I'll put in health, and I'm only going to add the equities from these health reports. As you can see, it populates ETFs and if there was any mutual fund reports for this keyword. I'll also put in medical, drugs, and pharmaceuticals. Add the reports from these keywords as well. Other colored zones can be added if you wanted to add the entire report, meaning the green, yellow, and red zones by clicking here. And you can just unclick them. For this example, we're just going to use the green favored zone. You can also scroll through these reports manually, checking them and unchecking them as needed. So using the green favored zone of these 6 reports, including the original one we added at the start, we can now move over and we'll have a total of 75 stocks, which represents the green favored zone of these reports, alphabetically listed in this custom universe. Now we can run the matrix and pit them against each other on a relative strength basis. We can see that Moderna is the strongest name that populates out of these 75 names on a relative strength basis. If we wanted to see where our friend Pfizer was in this ranking, we can search using the top bar here. Type in PFE, and we can see that it has a very poor ranking in the red unfavored zone of this report. So building custom stock reports is just one of the exciting tools we have here at SI Charts from our database of over 580 reports, such as the S&P 500 and TSX Composite Index that are ranked each night using our proprietary relative strength technology. If you are a portfolio manager or a registered financial advisor, come give our technology a try during a free 21-day trial so we can show you the power of our platform and how it's going to enhance your practice. And until next week, take care and always strive to manage your risk in the markets effectively.